So today we're going to talk about the easiest type of residential roofing to install. Eric here with Blue Nail Roofing, and certainly the easiest type to install is none at all. Nothing is easy about all types of roofing. The material's heavy, the technique requires skill, and you certainly don't want to create a leak. So if there was an easy type of roofing, or the easiest I should say, if there is that, would definitely be composition asphalt. There's only really 5 major components to your roofing system, all of which work together to create a waterproof shell on your home. It's not just shingles, it's not just the synthetic underlayment, it's drip edge, it's valley liner, it's ridge cap. All these things are important, but again, with only 5 components, probably the easiest to handle, easiest to cut, easiest to manipulate is certainly the asphalt composition. So if you're looking at overall cost for your roof and you're just looking for something cost effective, asphalt composition is the way to go. Now the bottom of the barrel for asphalt composition, or the economy version, we don't like to say bottom of the barrel, would be what we call a strip shingle, or you may know it as a 3-tab shingle. So 3-tab shingles probably only have a wind resistance of 50 to 70 miles an hour, so they're not very resilient for wind, and a life expectancy of what the manufacturer states out is 25 years, but we believe for all intents and purposes probably going to be about 15 to 20 years tops that you get out of one of those. So most cost effective, asphalt composition. Make sure you subscribe and comment, like our videos. We got a bunch of stuff in here that's going to help you out. Wind or hail, call Blue Nail.